one of my favorite microphones of all time is going to be this right here. And this is the DJI mic. This thing is really fantastic. In fact, it allows you to do a lot of different things. For example, you have the ability to record on iPhone. You have the ability to record 3.5 audio input as well. You can connect it to different devices using USB-C. And again, I'm going to give you a quick look on this and cover some of the main overview. But today we're going to do actually a test with my computer. You guys seen the computer right here? We're going to connect that to the Macbook Pro and we're going to do an audio test. So let's get back into it. And it comes in a package just like this. It does come with a cable for the 3.5. It does come with a deck cap, something like this that could be put in the transmitter and a couple other things. But I'm going to give you kind of like the main things that it comes right here. First of all, this box is a charging case as well. As you can see right here, USB-C, you plug it right here. And it's going to have some indicators right here that is going to allow you to tell you the battery of the box. So when you take the microphones with you, it's going to be charged as you see it. When you open it up, you're going to see a couple different components. First of all, you're going to have this receiver right here that is really cool. It connects to two different microphones. You can see the lines there going on, right? And I tell you, it has so much technology in there. This is actually touchscreen that is insane. But if you go like this is kind of like a cold shoe right there. You can remove this part right here, and now it looks just like this. So as you can see, you have an iPhone connector. You also have a USB-C connector right there. So simply, all you're going to do is that you're going to line this up, and now you're going to be able to put this in there, right? So you can see it just like this. And this is going to be an iPhone microphone now, right? So I could just click it right here to my iPhone, and look at this. Now I have audio coming into my iPhone. Again, you could do the same thing with USB-C as well. And again, if you want to use it just for your regular cold shoe right here, 3.5 coming out to your camera. You can see right there, you can monitor the audio as well, and you can charge this alone as a standalone unit with a USB-C. Again, just a quick look at this before we put it in the computer. This is going to be the transmitters, and again, these things are great. You can put the deck cap right there. You can install a lavalier as well, or you could just simply record using this, but you also can use it as a recorder. So if you don't have an iPhone, USB-C, or 3.5, and you just want to use it as a standalone recorder, there is a setting here that you could connect. It's going to turn red, and you could just record audio straight up into this. You could do both. You could transmit into your receiver and you could record into here as well. So you could kind of have a backup plan. And again, you have two of them, which is really fantastic. So again, this kit is just awesome. So what we're going to do is that we're going to use the USB-C. We're going to connect it here to the computer and take a look. We're going to remove this again. We're going to get the USB-C connector right here. And now we're going to plug it into the computer. And you can see right there that it's plugged into my computer. So again, just utilizing that USB-C connector. Give you a look right there. We're going to go ahead and get one of this. And again, let's put this on. Check, check, check. I'm just going to do an audio test real quick. So I'm just going to do audio text really quick, and if you look at the transmitter and the receiver right here, actually the receiver, you can see how that is moving right there. So audio is definitely coming in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open QuickTime right here, and we're going to do a screen recording. I'm going to go to options right here on QuickTime, and as you can see right there on microphones, I'm going to go to this wireless microphone RX. Now I'm going to click record, and I'm just going to move this out of the way, right, Joe? The microphone is back there. I'm recording my screen right here. You see Ecamm in the background. Obviously, you see me here in the picture. And all the audio should be coming out from this. I'm looking at my transmitter right there on my receiver. You guys can see it right there. Audio is coming through. So everything is coming through. So hopefully this is going to be a good audio test of this. So essentially, if you want to live stream or anything like that, you can live stream utilizing this. Quickly, you can put this in your computer. You could sign into your live streaming device, right? You could just essentially pick your camera, whatever camera you're going to pick, and pick this as audio, and you should be able to stream. So this kind of answered a question that I had in one of the comments. And again, let's see if this works. And there you have it, guys. It worked out pretty awesome. It was pretty simple, very convenient microphone. Again, you could go from your phone to your iPad to USB-C to, a personal recorder to put it in your computer to use as a 3.5. This microphone is awesome.